Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, they say in life you always have to know where your bread is buttered, and that is certainly the case for at least 3 of the ministerial nominees, Saraki, Sunday Dare, and Olarun Nimbe Mamora. So these characters especially, they certainly know where their bread is buttered. So guys, I bring you this: Saraki others visit Tinubu in Abuja. So that's the headline. Saraki others visit Tinubu in Abuja. So now to the body of the story. Ministerial nominees Saraki, Sunday Dare, and Olarun Nimbe Mamora Wednesday night visited Bola Tinubu, the national leader of the All Progressive Congress (APC). The trio met with the former Lagos State Governor in Asokoro, Abuja. Tunde Rahman, the Tinubu's spokesperson, shared a photo of the visit. The meeting is believed to be a thank you parley with Tinubu. Gbemisola Saraki, a former senator and sister to ex-Senate President Bukola Saraki, is representing Kwara on the ministerial list. Mamora, who is representing Lagos, was a Speaker of the State House of Assembly and served as a senator for Lagos East in the 6th Assembly. Dare, who is currently a National Commissioner of the Nigerian Communications Commission (NCC), had been Tinubu's media advisor for many years. So of course Tinubu's men on the ministerial list. So now that makes, I don't know how many numbers now. So in terms of the rulership of Nigeria, the ministerial list is now really almost half Tinubu, because of course Baba Tunde Fashola is a Tinubu boy as well, and the vice president of course is a Tinubu boy as well. So now these 3 elements have now been added to this list, so it's now Tinubu central effectively. And a lot of these people, really, they have only one agenda, and that is to facilitate and enable Tinubu presidency for 2023. That is their only brief, really, and that is really what they're there to do. So is push them forward, is pick them out of obscurity, and is polish them off within his own system, and is now placed them on the national stage, and they have now gone to do Rankadede to him. So of course you now know that Tinubu's interest will be fully served by them, and above all else. So now this is the goings on now. So as I said, in life you always have to know where your bread is buttered, and certainly the butter to these people's bread is none other than this Tinubu character. So this Tinubu element now is now effectively running himself as a de facto alternate government to the Nigerian state effectively, because if he rather is in control of a lot of the elements within the Nigerian. Aregbesola was a Tinubu boy as well, by the way, and he's also a minister now too. So you can just see that the list is endless. So now what is Malam Buhari's position on this is what I don't really understand, because he's now letting this guy infiltrate very deeply into his regime, and this guy, of course, you know, is a smooth operator and a very sharp guy. So how this now plays out is only time that will tell. But yes, bread being buttered, and the bread going to say thank you to the butter is effectively the summary of this video. Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Tinubu's agenda, what are you making of it, is what I am asking you to come discuss with me. But before you come have those discussions with me, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come share your thoughts with me about these nominees going to do alright, sir, thank you, sir, to Tinubu in Aso Rock. So come share your thoughts on that with me in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.